So I'm an amateur rally driver driving a Lancia Delta Integrale on a competition basis. And I bought a Lancia Delta to use on a daily basis for the road, and I was very disappointed by it because it was not at all what a rally car is. And it didn't live up to its promise. You know? It didn't live up to the promise of 6 world championships. And with the Maturo Stradale, what we did is we took the Group A rally car as it competed in 1992, and we use exactly the same underpinnings, the same engine and everything, and we made it available to use on a daily basis on the road. The interior is upgraded to match the car, but also the gearbox is a different gearbox than in the rally car. You know, the brake pads are a bit more soft so that it's more usable. But it's a very fast car with 400 horsepower. It is a very competitive car to nowadays standards. And of course, I almost forget to tell, the carbon body. The rally car is a steel body, this can have a carbon body, which is a weight-saving option, of course.